take a look at these really cool LED work lights I just received from the company. So thank you to them for sending this out to me to take a look at. So you get a pair of these really slim, nice metal flashlights. They come with USB-C cables to charge up. They have the USB-C plug in there to charge up. They have 3 light modes. There's the power switch on the side here. So you have the bright light right there. One more time, a little bit dimmer. And then you have a light there at the top. So yeah, super cool. There's a clip at the on the back there too, and a magnet on the bottom. So you can clip this onto your shirt pocket, backpack, or whatever. And then the magnetic bottom there, you can attach to anything metal there to hold it in place. So yeah, really super cool. Really nice and compact. Really nice blue color metal there. Feels really nice. So I'll give you a little demo of the light here. So you can see, nice and bright. There's the dimmer mode, and then this little flashlight mode right there. You can see, super nice and bright.